Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Kids Study Academy. Today we will learn about living in group animals. Let's see. A team of horses. A herd of cows. A flock of sheep. A swarm of bees. A herd of deers. A herd of elephants. A gill of zebra. A shoal of fish. A troop of monkeys. A clouder of cats. Others. A dash of goats. A tribe of goats. Next. A dash of dogs. A pack of dogs. A dash of lions. A pride of lions. A dash of tigers. A streak of tigers. A dash of frogs. A army of frogs. A dash of rats. A colony of rats. A dash of pigs. A drift of pigs. A dash of wolves. A pack of wolves. A dash of doves. A duel of doves. A dash of buffaloes. A gang of buffaloes. Thank you.
Yeah.